me jiri say video we be benefit ye nyina me amete ha obo a wo hwe video yi cause it will be no more ha o ma ware bi no more ma ware e chai it will be no more so afi no mo be ware inti sa video we di intermediate ba na say girl be or madam for pa like or my best friend pa or ware be 2 years ni enche bia na send a message be say me mo ano na o pese onra ni kunu phone nim o pese onra ni kunu phone no pese onhu de ekoso ni kunu no cause like ofilise ni kunu ni cheat won so enti na sisi so wo hwe said the yare doso e wo sister ni ma but obi hwe video na uni asem bia betimi aka e de aboa cause definitely no be go through comment section no be open answers enti untimi mo ano untimi ka asem bia mo na so he na e bia call me nim say boys no na mbe kekakas enti so enti omo experience e wo sade obi wo go through sade enti o hwe how wo betimi afa so ai pick options na why the open dey betimi aboa no ni kunu o filisi ni kunu chiti won so na sisi aso no o hwe yare a ekoso system ni ma edoso pa na sisi aso no o hwe a oba nti on pese ww na bi yare bi be kone maso ana se the kekam ni bi obenya yare bi because sake of worry nti no wabenya yare bi nti ope evidence opa di bi ejina so cause onyahu opa di bi ejina so no hu how a obefa so ayre eni ni kunu na kasa na hu the way forward but me am it say ade ba ko pa me nya ade wo ho kra ne say obi aware adna say relationship kra no ni bi o kase bi a me nya ade mboa no opese onya evidence ade ba ko me nya ade kra wo ne say mebo ni pa no amana hu bibisa ende me nya ade wo kra mi wo sa nim de no kra na me mboa nti me bi me WhatsApp chat ni sisia na yenyina ya go through chats no mene ne chat ni bia no ubuhu de ekoso bia no hawa mene ne fa so exchange ye bibia no ubuhu nti wo mo bi obetimi aboa na oni beje say ube live video to video ya say ti yen say me no ma me fa mo nko phone no na yenko WhatsApp chat no one by one. In the chat, me saying start hey dear, trust you good. Me say yes, okay. How about you? Blah, nice. I buy and I buy next week. No say I've been suspecting my husband for some time now that he's cheating. So I want you to help me track his phone so that I can clear my doubts. Cause maybe he's doing it and maybe he is not. No, say please don't say it cause my marriage if you care for me cause knowing can prevent me from sickness. Me and Kasa there, me about relationship now worry and Kasa there. Me share any good side me there. I me try say me kate way in a short. I'm yet me a kase conversation. Now me say take it as he is not doing anything. After all, he's a husband and I'm not sure you want a divorce. So what if he gets sickness and bring to me home? By the way, divorce is far better than death. Or in America say then take him as cheating husband and advise him always. I'm not sure you will be happy if I die, will you? So many sickness out there now, bro. Just trying to protect my life. If I know, I will tell him to be protecting himself anytime I want to get close to him. At the same time, advising him. And if he changes, fine. But if he don't too, then I know what to do. Cause my life matters than marriage. Oh, I have a child now, and I can't afford to die out of a sickness his carelessness will bring to me home. And leave my boy, please. I will always help you, but not now. So I feel your situation. It's fine. Why? Thanks. And therefore 3 days later, no, now I'm sign chatting the BM. You're still frustrated, right? Or try and find answers for you. Certain my imagine say me shoot video. And man for be commenting, the padona be commenting, experience more. Like more experience while worrying no be saying ometimi advice no work until betimi pick answers or comment section no patch ya tell say and no be also go through similar or go through similar situation to say madam fi come here until no so betimi aboa no nti be patch we be ohwe video we be adwenche bia obetimi aye de aboa no bia me so if you to comment no minim say after me lazy video I send a link na man on WhatsApp into your baha treat na what you be comments no dear ko na dear ba me did this video be boy na yi so ayi na pese ye nkwa aware em na pese yi bibi and me did this video be boy e bitime so bibi free through comment na please techintwi on Facebook, YouTube, here subscribe the channel na me the videos be bro me the videos hu here o Ghana ha bia ya de bia unim ade na wo ye no